gonna tell you about UrbanPro. We'll make an UrbanPro account in this video. So it's an UrbanPro tutorial. So UrbanPro, what is it? I'll tell you in the laptop how to make an account and how it works and all. But before that, what is UrbanPro? UrbanPro is a very nice platform to get the right target, audience for your coaching center, or if you're a tutor, you're looking for students. Because any business that you start, any teaching business you start, you need students, right? And UrbanPro is a really nice platform where, with a bit of a money, you can buy coins, and through that you can get relevant data. The queries, you can call them if you find them relevant, or sometimes you do get calls from there, from the student side as well. So UrbanPro is a platform where tutors, students, even the coaching centers, institutes can get the right students and the data for their growth, and so that they can excel in their business. So UrbanPro's video you'll be going to watch next, how to make an account and how it works. So please go ahead and watch the video ahead. So we're gonna learn today how to make an account on UrbanPro. Now, UrbanPro, as I told you, it's a platform for the students, teachers, coaching centers, institutes to get really relevant data from. So you'll type www.urbanpro.com and this page will open up. Then you have to go over here. Then if you are signing up as a tutor, you'll click over here, make your account, and you'll have to complete your profile. I'll show you one of my live account here. So once your account is all ready, it will look like this. There will be a dashboard here, and when you start getting queries, it will look like this. You can also contact them once, but before that you need to buy coins. I'll show you the profile, what all things you need to cover. Profile information will include your bio data, classes conducted. You can make n number of classes that you want to conduct over here. Then you can fix a price of your own, whatever you feel like. And as I told you, there are reviews also given by the students or clients if they like your classes, so that promotes your profile even better. Then let me show you what all options do we have over here. Free coins. Then let me show you what coins process I'm talking about here. See, coin history. So right now my coins are not updated, so current balance is 0. I can always buy these coins, and then I can I'll start getting queries again. So that's it. The UrbanPro, yes, it works with the minimum of 500 rupees. You can buy coins and you can get plenty coins to get queries, plenty enough to start your classes. UrbanPro is a really nice platform according to me. I have tried it, and the investment does get whatever you invest, you earn more out of it. So it's a good platform. If you want, you can try it as well if you're in a teaching and training coaching business. So thank you.